Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and navigating straight to your payments. This gets you to stored balances and methods. Once on the payments page, locate the gift card or gift card balance section and click it to expand details. Make sure you're on the correct Amazon marketplace for the balance you want to remove, because accounts can have balances per country. Now that you see the specific gift card entry, prepare to remove or unlink it by selecting the available options next to that balance. Once you've expanded the gift card details, click Manage or Edit next to the entry to view actionable controls. If Amazon shows Remove or Delete, choose it and confirm to unlink the card. This permanently removes that stored card. If removal isn't presented, you must spend the balance. Place a small order and apply the gift card, or transfer to account balance if the option exists. If neither applies, make sure your payment methods aren't blocking removal and prepare to contact support for help. After choosing Remove or applying the balance, refresh your payments to confirm the gift card is gone or updated. If the interface didn't show removal options, clear browser cookies, try a different device, or use the mobile app to force the updated view. Sometimes UI caching hides controls. If you still can't remove the gift card, open Amazon Chat or call support. Explain you want to unlink a gift card and provide the last 4 digits. Support can remove or advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.